to our school's Division Superintendent, Ma'am Nimpa D. Guemo, Principal of BAGASBAS Elementary School, Sir Neri Virieza, dear teachers, my family, graduates, friends, welcome to our virtual closing exercises, class of 2020-2021. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all dear families for their untiring support and unconditional love. Teachers who are always benevolent, industrious, and courageous to guide us in our studies. And friends, for your hard work in helping us to reach this point. And most of all, our Almighty God for His ceaselessly grace. This may not be what us graduates were looking forward to, but it's still graduation, nevertheless. Because of this pandemic, we're like a forest. When the forest burns down, it grows back stronger. Each of us is a unique tree. I like to think of myself as a Nara tree. Look, the point is, we all had something taken away from us. We all need our own amounts of time to heal and grow. That way, we can be a forest again. I'm going to tell you a story about a young boy named Rodney, a villager. And this story entitled, Don't Give Up by Kyle Idleman. A long time ago, there was a boy named Rodney in a village. He was very happy with his family, but his happiness could not last long. Rodney and his fellow villagers faced a severe drought. They desperately waited for rains, but with no luck. All the crops, land, and even trees dried up. The cattle started dying. As there was no rain, the stream was drying up slowly. One night, during a meet with the villagers, Rodney said, "Friends, we all have heard tales from our grandparents about an underground river flowing through our village. Why don't we dig and see?" The villagers agreed and started digging. They dug for some days but gave up soon. However, Rodney kept digging. When people told him to give up, he says, "God is helping and guiding my way." One day, when he had dug deep enough, Rodney saw water. His attitude of not giving up saved the whole village. Never give up so easily, Rodney's advice to all the villagers. Now, they are never short of water, and whenever any problem, and all the villagers came up together and find a solution. Honestly speaking, though I'm still young, I felt desperate about our situation because of unexpected sudden change in my life. But I'm thankful because of the guidance of my parents and faith in God that gave me confidence to keep believing and keep going on. Graduation is supposed to be a time to celebrate, but quite bad about this pandemic forcing us into quarantine. But this experience helped us grow in ways we could have never imagined. We've learned how valuable our friends are and family, how important teachers are, how much we will miss BAGASBAS Elementary School. I will never forget in my entire life the moment I entered in this school. Without seeing my teachers and classmates personally, the stress in answering labs and modules every day, and the question when it is going to end. Elementary days might be over, but our lives are just beginning. We're all going to do great things. I know that is very cliche, but hey, it's true. We've all grown up into amazing people, and I know we can be the class to help the world be a better place. Show everyone love, respect, and kindness no matter what our differences are. Again, I thank my teachers, friends, and batchmates of class 2020-2021. You made me who I am today, and I cannot thank you enough for that. I hope the best for each and every one of you. And see you in the next stage of our journey. Now, May the wind be at your back and go do great things. Before I end up my speech, I want to leave this adage to you. Be bold, be courageous, be your best. I'm Cedrick A. Almariego. Congratulations to each and every one of us. God bless us all.